Hi everyone, welcome to Modern Gardener. It's summertime here in Utah and we wanted to kick off the season by talking about the state of the drought in Utah.
That's right. Understanding the drought is super important. Water conservation efforts not only save water, but they help improve the health and happiness of your plants.
If you're new here and you want to follow along with us as we learn about gardening in Utah, please subscribe and like our video, leave comments, and check out our blog.
So today we're super excited to have Stephanie Dewar from Salt Lake City Public Utilities to explain to us some of the ways that we can more efficiently and effectively water our plants.
Utah overall is experiencing either an extreme or exceptional drought stage right now. Last summer was one of the hottest summers on record, and the fall was exceptionally dry. So we also have very dry soil moisture, which means that what little snow melt we had that's moving into streams is getting absorbed before it even gets into reservoirs. It's very important right now that we're all mindful of how we use water indoors and out so that we don't waste a drop. In a drought, I know it's really scary and you're worried about your landscapes. I'm worried about mine. But the first thing to do is prioritize what's important. Right now, the most important things to get water to are trees, shrubs, your vegetable garden, maybe your perennial border, and the last thing to worry about is your lawn, because it's actually remarkably resilient. Right now, even though it's really hot, if you were to water your lawn just once a week, your lawn would survive. The average household in Utah waters about 40% more out of doors than they need to. So if we just watered our existing landscape appropriately, we would meet the water use reduction we need to do right now for this drought. So water appropriately and not wastefully.
We want to know more about how you're saving water in your own yards and gardens. So if you have some awesome tricks and tips up your sleeve, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.